Hello everyone, welcome to the BFM Warrior series. In this we are covering case studies plus MCQs. Now BFM case studies are related to numericals also, theory also. We cover everything. So follow the series completely. Follow all the subjects, not only BFM, ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL, all the subjects. Like the channel, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Today I will be covering one important forex numerical, very important, 5 marks. It's from your book. It is a repeated numerical from the exams. In many exams, in fact all the exams, this numerical is asked, one form or the other. Okay? So don't miss and follow the complete video till the end. Very important one. On 15th September, a customer request for booking a forward contract for export bill of USD 1,50,000 to be realized in the month of December. So on 15th September, a customer has requested for booking a forward contract. Kindly note. What do you mean by forward contract? Forward contract means I'll book the rate today itself for next, whatever this month is, September, means September, October, November, December. It's a 3-month contract. Okay. So I'll book the rate today itself so that in December if the rate fluctuates or goes against me, so I won't be in a problem as a customer. That's why I'm booking the rate now only. It's like booking the flat. Whenever you buy a new flat, you book it in the construction phase only at the rate which is fixed. So later when the flat is complete, the rate increases, but you will buy at the older rate. That is known as booking, same. So request for booking a forward contract for export of USD 1,50,000 to be realized in the month of December. No, focus on this word, in the month. In the month means it is between the month. 1st December, last December. It is between these two. Okay. 1st December, last December. Okay. And it is somewhere in between over here. Okay. Given USD INR spot is 75.4550. Forward premium is 18-19 paise for October. November 30-32 paise. Then 40 and 43 paise. Now immediately what you have to do is, you have to immediately focus on some important points which I will tell you. Firstly, immediately tell me whether this is in premium or discount. Firstly, tell me whether this is in premium or is it in discount. Everyone in the comment section. The currency in forward market is in premium or in discount. So the currency in forward market over here it is in premium. Why premium? Premium. Why premium? Because right side is bigger. See, whenever you have right side big, left side small, then the currency is in premium. See this, right side is bigger, 19. Left side is smaller, 18. Similarly for others, 32, 30, 43, 41. So whenever you have right side bigger, it is called as premium. What do you do for premium? For premium, we will always plus, add to the spot rate, plus for spot rate. What is the spot rate? This is the spot rate. So which rate will you apply? See, you are booking a forward contract for export bill. Export. Whenever you are dealing in exports, you have to buy the currency, buy. So whenever you are dealing in exports, you will buy. Purchase. Purchase means what? You will take the left one, left, this part, everywhere, this. Forget this is of no use to you. Right now, this is of no use. Immediately cancel it. It's of no use to you. You are in the buy zone, put it in, be in the buy zone only. Okay? So now, this currency is in premium. Margin to be charged is 0.05 paise per USD. So margin is given directly in paise. sometimes it's given in percentages. Here it's given directly in paise. So this margin, what will you do with this margin? Will you add or subtract this margin? TT margin. Will you add or subtract? You will subtract, buy. See, whenever you are buying, you will subtract. I'll give you 3 basics about the forex problem. Okay. Whenever you face any forex problem, always first focus on buy or sell. Buy or sell. Whenever you have export, you will always buy. And for import, you will always sell. Okay, kindly note this. This basic you should remember. For export, you will always buy. For import, you will always sell. Okay, point number 1. Second point which you have to focus is premium or discount or this forward points. Okay, forward points. So if it is premium, then you have to plus. If it is discount, you have to minus. Okay, and how will you decide whether it's in premium or discount? Just now I told you. When your right side is big, it's premium. When your left side is big, it is discount. So second point also clear. Third, TT margin. TT, or we call it exchange margin. Anything is you can name it. Either it can be TT margin or it can be exchange margin. So the rule for that is TT or exchange. The rule for that is whenever you are dealing in TT margin, okay, the rule is whenever you are selling, you will always plus. Whenever you are buying, you will always minus. So simple rule, remember this. Don't forget this basic rule. Okay? Whenever you are selling, you will always plus. Whenever you are buying, you will always minus. These 3 basics, if you remember in any numerical, there are more chances that you will get the answer correct. Okay, there are more chances that the answer you will get it is correct. So now, let's solve this. Calculate the forward rate. You have to find out the forward rate. So now first plot this problem. What is this problem? See, I am booking it on 15th September for the month of December. So, say this, I am booking it over here on 15th September for the month of December. So this is 15th September and it will be expiring in the month of December. So let's calculate the end month, December 30th, 30, and here I'll take it December 1. So my contract is in between. Let's take one sample example of December 10. This is a December 10. I am taking it hypothetical for exam. Okay, any date you can take, answer will be the same. So December 10. So now plot the problem. What is the basic rate given for spot? Check this. Spot rate is 75.45. Okay, so use this 75.45 over here. 0.45. Now this is September and this is December. So which rate will you use? See this, September. So September end, then October. Kindly remember, whenever you are using any rate, okay, you will be using it. You always remember whether you have to use the forward points of 1 month or 2 month or 3 month. 1 month, 2 month or 3 month. So suppose if I take September, so 1 month will be what? October. 2 month will be November. But what do I want? I want my transaction is in which month? My transaction is in December. So I'll have to take the 3rd month contract, 3rd month forward rate. What is the 3rd month forward rate? Look at this, December. Okay, 3rd month, 41, 43. So I'll be taking 41 now, not 43. Now this December rate is for the end of the December. Kindly note, it is for end of the December. So now, pay attention to this 30 also. 30 and 41, I'll give you the idea. See, This December rate is always for the end, 41. But what is the rate for the beginning then? Which rate will I take over here? December 1. Who can give me? Which forward point do I take over here? Do I take 41 or do I take 30 or do I take 18? Yes, which rate do I take it over here? So kindly understand, whenever you are dealing with the starting of the month, okay? Whenever you are dealing with the starting of the month, what rate you have to take over here is, see this, pay attention everyone. December 1 equals to November end. November end. Okay? December 1 rate equals to November end rate. Now what is November end rate then? I told you just now that the rates given are for the month end. So whenever I am seeing the rate November, so this November means November end. So here it is 30. So I'll write 30 over here. 30. 0.30. 30 means 0.30 and this is 0.41. Now I have to add it to the spot or subtract it to the spot. You tell me. Do I add it to the spot or do I subtract it to the spot? Who can tell me this? Do I add it to the spot or do I subtract it to the spot? Yes, do I add or do I subtract? Everyone. Do I add this or do I subtract? See, I am in premium. Just now we saw this basics. See this forward points. Whenever it is in premium, I'll be adding. So now, is it in premium or discount? Just now we saw this. It is premium. So premium means add. I'll add both of them then. So I'll add this 75.45 plus 0.3. So it is 75.75. 75.75, right? And over here, 75.45 plus 0.41. So 85, 86, 75.86. Okay. So now you have the buy rate for December 1 is 75.75 and buy rate for December end is 75.86. But always remember we use the axiom. That axiom is called as buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Sell high. This is the axiom to be used. Okay, buy low, sell high. Okay. Always in any business you have to buy low. Okay. So now what will you, if you use the same axiom, and always remember, this axiom is to be used whenever you have the transaction not on the first date or on the last date. It's in between. Not on the first date or the last date. It's in between. Okay. So here I'll be using it because the transaction is in between. So I'll use buy low now. This sell high is of no use to me. Why? Because I'm buying. So buying means use the buy rate. So buy low, this I'll be using. Buy low means what? I'll be using this rate then. This is my required rate. Okay, this rate is of no use to me now. Whatever is no use to you, remove it. It's same as your life, right? In life, whatever is not required or whatever harms you, remove it from your life. Then the life will be simple. So now, is your answer over? No. 3 steps were there, right? First was buy or sell. So you did buy. Forward contract, premium you did. Now what about the exchange? Exchange is given as 0.05 paise. So this 0.05 paise, now you will be using it. So now this is my first hand rate. I've got it at 75.75. So now use this. So 75.75 plus or minus. Now you tell me, plus or minus. It is 0.05 paise. So plus or minus 0.05. What will you do? 0.05 plus or minus. Yes, everyone. It is 0.05. Is it plus or minus? It is? Yes, it is minus. Right? Why? Because I am buying it. Okay, I am buying it. Buying is minus. Just now I told you. See this, whenever you purchase, see this, buy is always minus, purchase is always plus. Okay. So here I am doing buying. So I will be using minus over here. So now what is my rate? 75.70. This is my final rate after subtracting the TT margin. So this is my end rate. Okay, this is my end rate. Got it, everyone? 75.70. This is my end rate. Now, in exam, they can ask you, see, your problem is over here. In exam, they can ask you something more. What will they ask you? They can ask you, look at this. First, they have asked you the rate. So, this problem is over. First one is rate. Okay. Second one. For the same, calculate the amount. Calculate the amount. And also tell me third, will you debit or credit? Debit or credit the amount. This is also important. Many of the students know how to find the rate, but they don't know whether it's debit or credit. So now firstly, give me the amount. What is the amount over here? Amount in rupees. See, the dollar amount is given as what? USD 1,50,000. This is my dollar amount. So I want it for rupees. So rupees will be what? 1,50,000, right? 1,50,000 amount. 1,50,000 into 75.70. So what is the answer? Check this. 1,50,000 into 75.70. Everyone do it. 1,50,000 into 75.70. Do it, everyone. What are you getting? I am getting it as 1 crore 13 lakhs 55,000. 1 crore 13 lakhs 55,000. Okay. This is the amount I am getting. 1 crore 13 lakhs 55,000. Okay. So this is the amount. But what about this amount? This amount is to be debited or credited. Now this is tricky. Let me see how many of you can answer this. This amount I have to debit or credit. Yeah. What is the case? Look at this case. The customer is booking a forward contract. Forward contract means, here right now what do I have to do? Do I have to debit this amount or credit this amount right now? I am booking the forward contract. So whenever I am booking the forward contract, kindly note, this transaction is to be done in the future. Okay. So 1 crore 13 lakhs 55,000, I have to give it in the future on December, whichever date it is. At that time I'll have to do it. So right now I don't have to debit it, I don't have to credit it. It's just booking the contract. Like booking the flat. If you book a flat, so does that builder or developer give you the flat immediately? The flat will be given to you on that date. Whenever the completion is there. Same thing over here. This amount will be given to you on maturity of this contract. Means whatever this December is given. Okay. So it will be done at that time only. Right now you don't have to debit it. You don't have to credit it. But at that time what will you do? See, now I'll give you 2 points over here. Right now. Now, no debit, no credit, no debit or credit right now, no debit or credit, just booking. Then in December, what do I do? Do I debit it or credit it to the customer? Now this is what you tell me. Do I debit the same or do I credit the same to the customer in December? Yeah. It's an export transaction. So money is coming in. See, understand, I'll be crediting it. Credit to the customer. Okay. Because dollars are coming in, export. Material is going out, dollars are coming in. So dollars will come. Okay, they will come to whom? Customer. So from customer, you will buy. That's why did we use the buy rate? Because you will be buying from the customer, bank. So bank will buy from your buy. Okay. So dollars will go in, dollars will be given by the customer to the bank, and bank will give rupees to the customer. So rupees will be given, rupees are credited. Okay. Got it, everyone? Very, very, very important numerical. Now before going, everyone kindly join the Adda 24/7 latest batches. Okay? ACE batch. It is the latest batch for the CIB. Join it ASAP. E-books, mock test, online live classes, everything. Everything you get it. Always purchase the batch by downloading the app first, because in the app you will be getting 1% extra. Don't miss that 1% extra discount. It's available on both Google and Apple. Okay? So available on both. The best thing I'll tell you, purchase the Increment Mahapack, CIB Increment Mahapack. In CIB Increment Mahapack, you get 15 plus batches per subject. Per subject 15 plus. Plus you get this physical question bank. Physical question bank delivered to your home. Plus you get formula bank delivered to your home. Plus you get study planner delivered to your home. And same versions, ebooks are also available. Okay, it's a win-win situation. Discount, look at the discount part. And triple validity offer is going on. Means you buy for 5 months, you get it for 15 months. You buy for 9 months, you get it for 27 months. Huge. Okay. And click on buy now. Look at this. Put the code Y432. Y432. Say this. 80% discount plus 1% extra through the app. Plus triple validity. Plus 15 plus batches per subject. Plus physical question bank. Plus formula bank. Okay. Plus study planner. Plus mock tests. Mock tests are chapter wise also, full length also, same as that of your exams. So do buy it immediately. The new batch which I am talking of, you can join that also. In fact, if once you join the Mahapack, this batch automatically comes to you. You need not join the batch also then. But if you want to join it individually, then you join this ACE batch. Okay. Again, ebooks, mock test, online live classes, 81% discount is there. This buy now 81%, 80% plus 1%. Okay. Don't forget the code Y432, 80% plus 1% extra. So join the Increment Mahapack or join the batch, anything.